My imaginary friend turned out to be real. When I was 20, I attended a family barbecue. My little cousins were playing pretend with each other and their imaginary friends on the playground. It brought back memories of when I was young, so I innocently asked, "Dad, remember my imaginary friend?" He nearly spilled the Sprite in his hand from shock. He awkwardly agreed, but his high-pitched tone felt suspicious. So on the way back home, I asked my dad again about my imaginary friend. He pulled over to the side of the road and looked at me through the rearview mirror with a serious look that made me afraid. "I will show you, but never bring it up again after." I felt extremely confused, but agreed. We drove back home and booted up the old family computer. In a hidden password-protected folder, there were hundreds of little videos of my bedroom's CCTV and my baby monitor from when I was young. We watched the first video where I was playing with a doll as a toddler. A male voice suddenly called out to me and asked to see the doll up close. He instructed me to point the doll toward the baby monitor. We spent several more minutes talking and laughing. At first I thought it was my dad's voice, but a few minutes into the video, my dad stepped into the room to ask the toddler version of me who I was talking to. I paused the video there and replayed it to be sure. I was shocked. How could the voice of my imaginary friend end up in a recording? My dad then played out the other SARD videos to show the same horrifying interaction. The last video showed my dad rushing into the room to destroy the baby monitor, right after the male voice asked if my parents were home. My dad shut off the PC and explained with a grim expression that I was a victim of a baby monitor hacking incident. The man I had spoken with had taken several kids across the state, and it took months before he